Well, hello everybody, it's Zach with KT Outdoors, and I wanted to do a really short video this morning and just show you something that I've been experimenting with here now that we're in the dead heat of summer. For those of you who are living in an apartment setting or something like that, and all you have is a patio and maybe some pots, right? Like, I want to grow some food, but I don't have space for a garden. How does that work? Well, here I have 5 tomatillo plants, and they are producing. Like, that is a full, complete, ready to harvest. Oh, look, there, it just came off. Tomatillo right there. So it is 100% possible to grow in a pot. Now, the experiment that I started running here in the heat is this tray. And so if you look at these 2 plants over here, you can see that the leaves are a little bit more wilty. They're kind of struggling. This whole branch over here is just really not that hot, right? And the reason is because when I water these ones, the water runs out the bottom of those pots and then it's gone. It's no longer available to these plants. And even if I water them in the morning and the evening, they still end up looking at least a little bit wilty like these do. Okay, these conversely were looking like those, and I thought, well, I wonder if I give them just a little reservoir of water down there. So you can see there's a little bit of slope in this greenhouse, but you can see that the water all pools on this end. So I pulled all of the pots down to this end so that their drain holes in the bottom of those pots would always be contacting that pool of water. And the results over the last week or so have been pretty insane. I never come in here when it's time for me to water again and have standing water in there. It's all either evaporated into the air or been soaked up into the soil of those pots and keeping those plants hydrated. And because of that, they're starting to look much, much healthier. So if you are growing in pots, if you are in a patio setting and you don't have some sort of water catchment at the base of your plants, consider putting some trays or some pans or something underneath those pots to catch and hold a little bit of water, and that will make it accessible to your plants throughout the day. That's all I got for this one, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one.